Hi, today let me show you how to make an airplane. Get a piece of paper and you fold on this side. That's basically the front of the airplane. Then you fold it together like this. And then here I kind of crease it. And then I do this to kind of make a jet. Fold it again. And I fold it another time. There we go. Like that. Put those up together like that. Kind of do that. Now I basically make the wings by folding that down. I'll do the other side here, and I'll fold this side down. And there you go. Got yourself an airplane right there. So that's how you make a paper airplane. Rock and roll, everybody. It works.